Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin right now by preparing a safe, authorized environment. Open Roblox Studio and the Dev Console. Make sure you own the place or have documented permission. Once done, restrict your work to testing and debugging on a private server. This prevents harm to others. You need to understand why. Experimenting on unauthorized targets is cheating and can get accounts banned. Make sure to back up your place before running scripts and keep logs for accountability and rollback. Now focus on the technical middle steps. Use the Dev Console and command bar to inspect behavior and variables. You can run print, warn, and error to trace flow and query game, workspace, or a player, character to view properties. Once you find an issue, refine a small, reversible change and test repeatedly on a private server. Make sure to avoid any commands that modify other players' inventories or data. Only execute actions you are permitted to perform, and document every test. Finish by applying verified fixes and testing thoroughly on a private server, then publish only when stable. You should back up versions and record what changed and why, so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, check the server and client error logs first, and verify API permission scopes and instance ownership. One key troubleshooting tip: if a script works locally but fails in multiplayer, make sure remote events and remote functions are secured, and that code runs on the correct execution context.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.